The city of Madrid, located in Spain, is a vibrant and culturally rich place offering a unique blend of history, art, and modernity. As the capital and largest city of Spain, Madrid attracts millions of tourists every year with its diverse attractions and lively atmosphere. Known for its stunning architecture, Madrid boasts numerous attractions that emphasize its historical significance. The Royal Palace of Madrid, with its grandeur and opulence, is a testament to the city's royal heritage. The Puerta del Sol Square is the symbolic heart of Madrid and a popular meeting place for locals and visitors. Madrid also offers many cultural experiences. The city is home to world-class museums, such as the Prado Museum, which houses an extensive collection of masterpieces of European art. Art lovers can also visit the Queen Sofia Museum, known for its contemporary art exhibits. For those looking for an active vacation, Madrid offers beautiful parks such as Retiro Park, where you can relax amidst lush greenery or take a boat ride on the lake. When planning a visit to Madrid, it's worth considering the various festivals that take place throughout the year. From the San Isidro Festival in honor of Madrid's patron saint to the vibrant street parties during La Paloma Festival, there are plenty of opportunities to immerse yourself in local traditions and festivities. Whether you're interested in exploring historical sites or immersing yourself in the local culture, Madrid offers every visitor an unforgettable travel experience. Its combination of rich history, artistic treasures and lively nightlife makes it the perfect destination for those looking for an unforgettable trip to Spain's capital city.